This key nutrient was proven in a breakthrough study to slow down chronic kidney disease by 44% and to delay dialysis by 10 years or more. In this video, the top 4 healthiest vitamin-rich superfoods to fight the most common vitamin deficiencies in kidney disease. There are 4 vitamin deficiencies all kidney disease patients should be aware of. You cannot take a standard multivitamin when facing kidney disease, and many vitamin-rich foods are forbidden due to their potassium content. This causes several very common deficiencies that can lead to several health problems, including, unfortunately, faster declining kidney function. Don't worry guys, today we are going to see how to identify and treat the most common vitamin deficiencies in kidney disease. There are studies proving that eating more foods rich in vitamins is a valid strategy to reverse kidney disease. Yes, the good news is that there are some foods you can eat every week to avoid dangerous vitamin deficiencies and to help your kidneys. Don't miss our number 1 in particular, because this food helps improving the levels of a vitamin all kidney disease patients are lacking. Before that, let's start with a superfood rich in a vitamin that's known to fight anemia, to lower cholesterol levels, improve energy levels, and immune function. This is nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a go-to food for many vegans because it can help avoid a common deficiency. The interesting part, it tastes like cheese. It has a strong nutty and cheesy flavor, and you can mix it with flour, spices, and water to make a cheese spread. Due to its nutritional content, yeast in this form may increase a person's energy to fight anemia and to lower cholesterol levels. Nutritional yeast is sold as thin flakes, granules, or powder. You can find it in the spice or condiment section at most grocery stores or in bulk bins of health food stores, even online. What you should know before buying nutritional yeast is that the exact nutritional values vary between brands, so always read the label to be sure that it actually contains one key vitamin, vitamin B12. A deficiency in vitamin B12 is very common and dangerous in those with kidney disease, especially when following a plant-based diet. Studies indicate that up to 80 to 90% of people following plant-based diets may be deficient in vitamin B12. Now the question is, how to tell if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency? Apart from some specific symptoms like fatigue, joint pain, and dizziness, a B12 deficiency can cause a pale yellowish skin and a sensation like pains and needles in the hand. Luckily, correcting this common deficiency can make you feel more energized and can help your kidney health. This is because this vitamin is essential for blood formation as well as brain and nerve function. Essential means that your body needs it and it cannot produce it by itself. This is why nutritional yeast is so helpful. It's the only plant-based food with a significant content of B12. And you would only need a teaspoon of fortified nutritional yeast a day to get enough vitamin B12. You can add it to sauces, chilies, or curries, or you can sprinkle nutritional yeast on air-popped popcorn for a healthful snack. Time to see our number 3 most common vitamin deficiency now, and what food you should eat every day to avoid it. Before that, a lot of kidney disease patients are using this program to improve their kidney function and to lower their creatinine levels. I received many comments of people telling me how much it helped them. Some patients are even reversing their kidney disease thanks to what they're learning from this program. If you want to give a fast boost to your kidney health, you should consider downloading it. I'm leaving a link down in the description. Check it out to know more. And our number 3 is kiwi fruit. Oh, this one may be the most misunderstood fruit on earth. But let me tell you one thing. Kiwi fruit is great for your kidneys. First of all, many people think that kiwi fruit is acidic while it's actually alkaline. Kiwi fruit also possesses properties that lower blood pressure and reduce bad cholesterol in the blood, according to science. And the main reason why kiwi fruit is so great for your kidneys is its incredible content of vitamin C. Vitamin C is widely known for its function as an antioxidant. It actively improves immune health and protects the kidneys from oxidative stress. And it also plays a crucial role in wound healing, bone and tooth formation, and heart health. In people with kidney problems, it also offers a great help against anemia and high blood pressure, two causes of kidney damage. And according to recent studies, this vitamin can also help lower your uric acid and cholesterol levels, again, two crucial factors when it comes to kidney health. Unfortunately, studies show that vitamin C is a common deficiency in kidney disease. Question: how can you tell if you have a vitamin C deficiency? Symptoms of vitamin C deficiency include fatigue, depression, gingivitis, rash, and impaired wound healing. This is a serious disease called scurvy, but remember that symptoms may not occur for a few months after a person's dietary intake of vitamin C drops too low. Now the question is, if vitamin C is so important, why so many patients are deficient in it? The reason is potassium. Many of the best sources of vitamin C are also very rich in potassium. Broccoli, oranges, Brussels sprouts, spinach, cantaloupe are all great sources of vitamin C that are forbidden to kidney patients. Kiwi fruit is a healthy exception because 1. Medium-sized kiwi fruit contains more than your RDA of vitamin C for a day and just 200 milligrams of potassium. Ideally, you could eat half kiwi fruit a day and never worry about vitamin C. Other great sources of this nutrient that are also low in potassium include bell peppers, strawberries, lemons, and black currants. Okay guys, time now to see what vitamin slows down CKD by 44%. In this study, patients taking just one vitamin with their standard medications had, on average, a 0.96% decline in kidney function per year. Those not taking it had a 1.72% decline in kidney function per year. It's a huge difference and could mean for someone in stage 4 delaying dialysis by a decade or more. What they used in this study to achieve this incredible result is folic acid or vitamin B9. Question: what should you eat to get more vitamin B9 in your diet? First of all, focus on leafy greens. This is always great advice for good health. Foods such as spinach, lettuce are great sources of this nutrient. Asparagus, seeds, nuts, and bell peppers and sweet corn should also be considered. These are all foods perfectly suitable for a renal diet. Another great source of folate, the natural form of folic acid, is okra. Okra is a nutritious food with many health benefits. It's rich in magnesium, fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C. Okra is especially useful for those with diabetes since it contains an active compound that was linked to lower blood sugar levels. Not to mention that this superfood is also linked to heart health benefits, also thanks to its folate content. Folate plays a key role in breaking down homocysteine, an amino acid that can exert harmful effects in the body and is linked to increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Now, in the study I was mentioning, patients took 0.8 milligrams folic acid per day from supplements, which is 2 times the RDA for the general population. And while it's always better to consult a doctor before taking any supplement, this dose is considered safe. A very important question now. What vitamins are kidney patients usually deficient in? Some kidney patients are deficient in vitamin B6 and in vitamin B9. Vitamin B12 is a very common deficiency, as we have seen in those following a plant-based diet. Vitamin C deficiency is also common in CKD patients and typically experienced by dietary restrictions as well as losses due to use of diuretics or through dialysis. Now, According to a study published in 2021 in BMC Nephrology, there is one vitamin that all kidney disease patients are deficient in. This is not an exaggeration. All the participants of this study were found to have low levels of one vitamin. In this study, they examined the serum concentrations of 9 vitamins: vitamin A, B1, B2, B6, B9, B12, C, D, and E in kidney patients in all the stages of kidney disease. What they found out is really frightening. All kidney disease patients have low levels of one vitamin. This vitamin is vitamin D. Vitamin D is the most common in people with CKD. Question: how can you tell if your vitamin D is too low? There are dozens of possible symptoms in case of a deficiency of vitamin D. Fatigue, bone, back, and muscle pain, but also hair loss are very common symptoms. Vitamin D is also needed by the immune system, so regular sickness or infection and impaired wound healing are possible symptoms, and even depression. Yes, all these problems for a single vitamin. Not to mention that it was also proven an association between low serum vitamin D levels and a faster decline in kidney function. There is only one good source of vitamin D that's also suitable for renal diet. This is an amazing superfood. This food is also rich in beta-glucans that reduce inflammation and help prevent the intestines from absorbing cholesterol. This is number 1, sun-dried shiitake mushrooms. Yes, these mushrooms are the best plant-based source of vitamin D, the vitamin that all kidney disease patients are more at risk for deficiency. These are not just cheaper and easier to find than regular shiitake mushrooms. Sun-dried mushrooms have 1,000 times more vitamin D than regular mushrooms. Okay guys, today we talk about foods you must eat to avoid these common vitamin deficiencies. And while a balanced diet is the cornerstone of any treatment that works, there are 3 vitamins that all kidney disease patients are supposed to be supplementing. Just 3. If you want to know what they are, watch my video up here. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.